In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Tradestation Strategy. By the end, you'll know how to attach a strategy to a chart so you can see trade signals and logic displayed directly on your price bars, which is a great way to visualize how a strategy behaves in real market conditions. Start by opening a chart analysis window and making sure the chart with the symbol you want is the one that's active. If you already have a chart open, click anywhere inside it so it's highlighted and ready. You want to confirm you're looking at the correct symbol and interval because strategies evaluate the data they're applied to. The active window typically shows in front with a distinct title bar so it's clear which chart will receive the strategy. Next, move to the top menu and navigate to Studies, then choose Add Strategy. In TradeStation, indicators and strategies both live under Studies, but there's a key difference. Indicators visualize data, while strategies generate trade logic and simulated orders. Selecting Add Strategy tells the platform you want to apply a rules-based trading method to the chart rather than just overlay a line or oscillator. When the Add Strategies dialog appears, scroll through the list and select the strategy you want to apply. You'll see built-in strategies as well as any custom ones you've added. Use the search field or alphabetical list to find what you need, and pay attention to the description so you understand the core logic at a glance. Many strategies include inputs and properties that you can review to understand how they operate, such as look-back lengths or risk parameters. But for now, the key is simply to pick the one you want to visualize on this chart. Once you've made your selection, click OK. The strategy is immediately applied to the chart and becomes visible on your price bars. You should see clear entry and exit markers, along with any labels or arrows the strategy uses to denote long and short trades. As you scroll through the chart, those signals will update in context, letting you assess how the rules would have behaved over different market swings. If the chart looks empty, it may be because the strategy hasn't generated signals for the visible range. Try viewing more history or confirming that the selected strategy is designed for your symbol type and bar interval. That's all it takes. Activate the correct chart, go to Studies and choose Add Strategy. Select the strategy you want and confirm with OK. With the strategy now overlaid, you're set to observe its signals in real time and review how it aligns with your trading plan.